Sandra has designed this open container. The height of the container is 3.35 centimeter. The cross section of the container is designed from three semicircles with diameters 17.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Calculate the area of the cross section of the container. First we will find the area of this semicircle which is over, if I put dotted line here. So we will find the area of this semicircle. And this small circle will be included this area, this whole semicircle, okay? And this area will be equal to pi r square divided by 2. We will divide it by 2 because this is semicircle and the radius, this radius is 24, it is mentioned here, 24. So you can add 17.5 plus 6.5, it is 24. So the diameter is 24, so radius is 12 because these are the diameters. So therefore pi and r is 12 square over 2. So it is 144 pi over 2, which is 72 pi. So this area is 72 pi. Now we will subtract this area. We want to subtract this area from this big semicircle. So let's find the area of this small semicircle. Okay. So then we will subtract this area from this big semicircle. Okay. So this small semicircle, the area is it is a pi r square over 2, and the pi r is it is 6.5 is the diameter. So the radius is 3.25. So 3.25 square and divided by 2. So let's check it with the calculator. So let's take the square and then divided by 2. It will be 5.28125 pi. This is the, okay, now we will subtract the area of this small semicircle from this big semicircle. So we will do it later on. First we will try to find the area of this semicircle now. Okay, so the area of this semicircle will be pi r square again, pi, and r is 17.5 over 2. It is 8.75 whole square over 2. This 2 is basically, we are dividing the area of the circle. So let me take square. So let me take here square and divided by 2. It is 38 28125 pi. I haven't put the value of pi. Now I found the area of this, so let me subtract this area from this semicircle, which is the big semicircle has area 72 pi. Now I will subtract the area of this because it is not the part of the minus, which is 5.28125 pi, and then I will add this area of this plus 38.28125 pi. Okay, So let's use the calculator. So bracket 72 minus 5.28125, okay, and plus 38.28125. It will be 105 pi. 105 pi. Now I will put the value of pi and then I will get the exact. So multiply pi, this is pi, equal to, so 329.87. 329.87. If I round it up to 3 significant figure, it is 330 centimeter square. So this is the area of this portion, which is the cross section of this prism container. This container is prism. The B part is calculate the external surface area of the container including the base. And student, please read the statement very carefully. This is open container. This is very important. This container is open from the top, but it is closed from the bottom. And the bottom area is 329.87. This is the area of the bottom. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the curved surface area then. Okay, external surface area, that is curved surface area. So to find the curved surface area, the formula, okay, the formula is to find the surface area. Total surface area is the total surface area of the prism is basically the perimeter, base perimeter. The total surface area of prism is base perimeter into height plus 2 times base area. As this prism, this container is open from the top, so it is 1 times base area. It is 1 times base area. And we have found this base area, 329.87. Now we have to find the perimeter of the base, that is cross section. Base is also called cross section. So we have to find the perimeter of this cross section. And this was the shape of the cross section, and the perimeter is, to find the perimeter, which is the length of the outer boundary. So we have to calculate the length of this, which is the outer boundary of this region. This is the area. We have to find the boundary of this area. Okay, so and then this. So first we have to find this one, the length of this, which is 2 pi. The circumference of the full circle is 2 pi r, and it is semicircle, it is pi r. So pi r is diameter is 6.5. So it is 3.3. The radius is 3.25 pi. So the circumference of the full circle is 2 pi r, and the semicircle will have 2 pi r divided by 2. So 2 to cancel, it will be pi r. The circumference of the half circle is pi r. So this is 3.25, and let's calculate this length now. This length. Yeah, this semicircle has diameter 24 given, and the radius is 12. So it will be 12 pi Now we will add this length, this length, this length, and 17.5. The radius will be 17.5 divided by 2. It is 8.75. So this length is 8.75. 8.75 pi. Okay, so this is 8.75 pi, and this is 12 pi, and this is 3.25 pi, 25 pi. So let me add all of these. This will give me the perimeter. So it is 24 pi. So the perimeter is the 24 pi. Let's put the value of pi now. 75.40. So it is 75.4. So this is the perimeter of the cross section. Now plug in the value in this formula, we will get the total surface area. So here base perimeter is 75.4, and the height of the prism is 35 into 35 plus 1 times base area, because it is open from the top. So base area is 329.87. So let's do the calculation. Into 35 plus 329.89. So this is the answer. If we round it up to the whole numbers, so this is the answer. The container has a height 35 centimeter. Calculate the capacity of the container. Give your answer in liters. Now we have to find the volume of this container. Capacity is basically the volume. Capacity. And we know that this container is basically prism. So the volume of the prism is base area times height. And the base area was base, here base is cross section. So area of cross section is, which is 329.87. 329.87 is the base area, that is area of the cross section. Height is 35, which is also mentioned in the diagram. So this will give us the volume in centimeter cube. So this is the volume in centimeter cube. So we have to give the volume in liters, and student, you know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So we will divide this by 1000. So if we divide it by 1000, so 11,11,5 divided by 1000, it will be in liters. So dividing by 1000, this decimal will come over here, 1, 2 and 3. It will be 11.545, which is 11.5. So the 11.5 liter, 11.5 liter. So the capacity or the volume of the container is 11.5 liters.